Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about basic Japanese writing. There are three scripts in Japanese writing. The first one is Hiragana, the second one is Katakana, the third one is Kanji. I repeat, it is Hiragana, Katakana, Kanji. There are 46 Hiragana characters and it is commonly arranged in this way. Take notes that if Japanese is written in the vertical style, then the reading goes from the right to the left, from the right to the left. Speaking of the Hiragana alphabet, each character represents one syllable sound, contrary to the English alphabet. So here's an example. The Hiragana character on the left side sounds as A, A, and on the right side, the English alphabet A, it can have many syllable sounds. Each Hiragana character has a stroke order. So let me start with the character A. So it starts from the left side. So here's the first stroke. Here's the second stroke. Here's the third stroke. So let me write it in the blank space here. So let me go to the second character, which is E. One and two. There are two strokes. This is E, A and E. So if you would have noticed, there are three things that you need to pay attention to while writing these strokes. So these are called as, the first one is Tomeru, which means to stop. So while you're writing a stroke of a few characters, say if it is A, then it starts off from the left side. So it goes in this way, and you need to stop here. You need to stop here. Stop. The second one is, it's called as Harau, which means to sweep. So it goes like this, and you need to just sweep. You need to leave it free at the end of the stroke. The third thing that you need to pay attention to is, which is called as Haneru. Haneru means to jump. So here's one of the character which has a Haneru, which means to stop, which means to jump. So it leaps, to jump or to leap. Yeah. So these are the three things that you need to pay attention to. These are actually, they explain how to finish drawing each line in these characters, and these rules are followed while writing kanji too. So there's a way to check if you're writing the character correctly or not. So here's an example. Let's go with this character E, so which goes like this, and the second stroke, right? So we're coming back to here, to the first stroke. The end of this first stroke of E, you could just check it by drawing a few dotted lines to the beginning of the tip of the second stroke. it goes like this. You could just check, confirm if this matches diagonally to the tip or the beginning of the second stroke. So let's go to the third vowel sound, which is U. One, Tomeru, stop. So this is the second stroke, and it ends with the Harau or the sweep stroke. Let me write it here. This is U. U. Here's the fourth character, the fourth vowel sound, which is A. One, stop, Tomeru. So there are two strokes, remember, for A. The second stroke is a continuous long stroke, goes like this, right? So let me write it here. One, let's learn the last vowel sound, which is O. Goes like this, one, and three. So it has three strokes, which is, the first one is, it ends with a Tomeru, which is stop, and second one is, it goes like this, and the sweep. The third stroke is, goes like this. So let me write it here. Also, coming back to the character A and O, means that when O has a stroke, the third stroke, it has a particular stroke which you need to write it in addition here. So R doesn't have any stroke like that. So now talking about the here's a tip. Here's one tip to fluent Japanese. Read aloud. So the writing script here can be connected to your reading and speaking skills. So the tip is to read aloud. For example, ye, we, ue. Let me explain about the romanization of Japanese language. It is the use of the Latin script when writing the Japanese language. It is commonly referred to as the Romaji. So Roma means romanization and Ji means character in Japanese. Romaji is used by Japanese children in their elementary school. It is also used as a primary method in various input methods in computers or word processors. It is commonly referred to as Romaji, and as explained to you before, let me explain to you with the 5 vowel sounds, the 5 Hiragana characters: A, I, U, E, O. Romaji is written as A, I, U, E, O. Romaji is only a representation of written Japanese, and therefore it should not be used as the primary reading method when learning Japanese. The second script is Katakana. Well, Katakana Each character represents the same syllable as its hiragana counterpart, and it is mostly used for foreign words or foreign names. And hiragana and katakana make up the Japanese alphabet. Kanji, on the other hand, represents a word or a concept. They are pictorial representations. There are more than 1000 kanjis. 2000 to 2500 kanjis are used as the Nichijo kanji, which means daily use kanji, and each kanji has a different reading. I'll be covering katakana kanji in the videos later, which I'm going to post. So today's lesson was hiraganas a, I, U, E, O, which make up the 5 vowel sounds. So let me just test a review. What is this character? And what is this one? Did you get it right? Please practice these 5 hiragana characters, these 5 vowel sounds. And if you have any questions on these 3 scripts, mainly the hiragana script, please comment below. Please ask me in the below section, the comment section, and I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you. I also request you to subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to posting more videos. Thank you. See you guys.